Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. And today the kids are home and the house is a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead do a cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. كبرات حواتم قاعد حل متأخن سمع إيدن بحال يوم عند خاكم تتفلتوا قلعت جزاء سلازغنو سو كل جزاء بقى معلت تصريخ ما نخلتي إنيو سو كتصريكوا عليه لو ما عندي كتفتوا أزي فيديو حتى سفاي قبري أنا ليه As you can see, my house is a mess, especially my kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes and some of them I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. كورات حواتم بقى بغشنا في جمري كم ستري أزال لخن مجام كشنا يكفو ترى إتزالو so نحط أبكو زقعة تابزي dishwasher كأتواي. Next, I clean my countertops with a spray. ملصقة بسبراي جرنز countertop to get it ready. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out. I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. Next, the cabinet. I clean the cabinets with a wood cleaner spray and a rack. And Belisa Hanet cabinet Maletyu, there's a wood cleaning spray book. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I do love my cabinets because it's very easy to clean. All it needs is a spray and a rag. That's all I ask. This cabinet ناتي بتعمل فوتو مهنات كتتصريه بتعمل يقلل. زي wood cleaner غير كدرس تبيل كاي بقى قلتي في يدس أريلك.
It's like 90 degrees, it's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried.
Okay guys, how many times in a month did you clean the bottom of the cabinets? Mine gets dirty often because it's white, so I have to do it at least once every 2 weeks. كبرات حوات زي ناي تحتي كابينت كل جزء تزرع أو سومن ناتي سكالتي فون دارس حتى عدا خوينو أب سومن أكلت سومن جلست ناي قدن كتريور لين. Next, I cleaned my island cabinets very well. Melissa Khani zinay cabinet nay islanday sutubo dia atsri apili. Kul gize datsri ozi everyday darga. Okay guys, next I clean my dishwasher, my fridge and my oven with a stainless cleaner spray. Melissa Khani does dishwasher, fridge, oven كلام مالتيو بزي stainless steel cleaner spray بوكيرة أصري يابلي. Now it's time to clean the family room. As you can see, Danny's toys is everywhere and it's a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. كنت تري أقول لكم حيجي قاع تكشنا ودي مالتي نابس family room متى ناي داني أقحت مالتي متعاتيو أكل سلف حلو زلوس كتساراري. Next is time to clean my coffee table. دحرن اتيات coffee table لين نساقع واللي عملتيو. And then I used laser cleaner to clean my sofas. The laser cleaner كان يبقى كفتيه وخطر يكن معتيو بوغيرنا السوفا تريو مالي.
Standing in the corner, but I know you see me too. Everybody singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in
Next, I went to my room to clean the fridge and the cabinets over there. مليسا خا ما روم كيدا مالتيو تاع فريج بتاع مريح نيرا نعطري له كاله خا تي كابينت اودر له خا ريح له خطري طعي
dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
You remember my spin mop? So every time it's old, you can change it. So I ordered some more from Amazon. This is the third time I'm changing it. I'll leave it. كبرات كم زناتي سبين ماب تتقامات تكون كن كتقيروا تقلي خن ممس رسح مالتيو إذا كاب أمازوني أوردر جيريو تغير لي مالتيو رسح دربيو تعرقت مالتيو عبد الله خنو معلتي أو تعبلتن تغيروا. So I have one more extra. I ordered 3 of them. So I'm gonna keep it for next time. And I love the oil soap, and then I'm gonna use some Fabulous soap to clean the floor. كبرات حواتن بعرف زي ناي سمنة زيت زلو سمنة زول كونه زي Fabulous soap غير خطري مالتي. Before I start mopping, I'm gonna go ahead and then vacuum the house. بجمرة vacuum كجبري ده حري كله لي. ومن مكان كن حد يكون كأنه vacuum recommend قبرلنا أين يزبل أسئلة كلامي يكلمه. زيادة صبغتها قلنا زيادة كم كان الإيسي مالتها قلنا حنتي درت دابلت مالتيو والما ترخبكوا حسرتها خماني أساس نبي حق فتيا بتعمي نوح عمت مول تتقي ملا كساحتي منو قايبة لتندلها تعمل صبغتي تتصرخ كله أبز تحتي أبز description box أو post قبل نيرة خيبة. I post my vacuums on the description box for you guys. Someone asked me which one I like and which one I use. And next I start mopping the floor. I don't use the electric mop all the time because I like to use that one is when the house is a little bit clean, but when the house is so dirty I like to use a mop with a soap and fabulous soap. زي مولو لكل كله تي استيم ماب كل شيء يكون كنا تكملها طريق بالكله جزء تراي بتكملها سان تدعى كم زرسي حقن بسرعة سامنا فابيلوسو قال جرا بدن بي يقولوا له مجمرة دحرين نصبحيتو قال تي استيم جرا تكملت لو ما عندك تطبيق راسي حسلا زلو كولو لا صبو جرا دغاغين غخول ولا لا
Just watch me breaking. I swear you're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
How many of you like to vacuum and then to mop after that? I do that. I don't know why I do that. I never finish vacuuming before I mop. I just vacuum a little space and then I clean it right away. Many of my أنسي كمزي vacuum غير ودي إيش راح أعمل ولكم ديكم كذا قبرسي لأن إشتيتي أحنت vacuum قبر عبيله ولا لا vacuum قبر عبيله ولا لا بلا منكم قبر كلك I think لمدي مثلاً.
But you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay guys, that was it for today. I am so tired. I thought I'm gonna clean up about 2 hours, but it took me about 5 hours to clean the whole thing. And I still have the upstairs to clean. I will do it tomorrow because I'm out of battery myself. And my camera is out of battery, so I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. زغبركنا حوات بوزي أنا راني لومي كلتا ساعتين تودا اللي تكون قليلة حسب أنا رجع نجهز جمرك حج ودي حمشة ساعة ودي اللي مالتيو أنا يبحك دخيمة لعل خطر حسب أنا رجع نايكالكون تصبحك جبريسو باتر ودي مالتي نبعلي كاميرا نتيك باتر ودي أسو كورة حوات فتيونات كونات تسفادا جبركو موتيفيت جركن خون تسيقن أنا كركن كله كل كذا أنا غداكم كل جزء زي ناي كلينين فيديو يرى مشيعو كيف تاخد تسيء سرح مالتيو كم أخذ حب فرصة لكن خون تسفى قبل أزمة جزء كسان زرق بكن دحين كأنيا I love you all so much.